everybody, this is Damini here from Aussie's group, and today an aspiring person for PTE has joined us, and his name is Mr. Srinivasan Rangarajan. And today, before I start with his introduction, I would like him to introduce himself to all of you. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Hi, my name is Srinivasan Rangarajan. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm a civil engineer. I took PTE 4 times. Yesterday I got my results. This time I scored more than 65.
That's amazing.
Thanks to PTE because mainly I worked on this sample questions and essays with this PTE-Tutorial.com. Actually, first 3 times I failed because I worked hard, but I don't know what to do with the various things. I have issues with my speaking and also as with my essays. So this time, one of my friends told me about this PTE-Tutorial.com. Then I logged in, and I found out that there is a lot of sample questions like for each section. For speaking itself, they have 400 plus questions, and reading itself, they have various questions in every task. So I practiced mainly in this website. Then I got a confidence. Then I took PTE exam day before yesterday, and this time I am very confident that I will achieve like that, because I also took two sport tests in PTE-Tutorial.com. Yes. And I got, the main amazing thing is that PTE-Tutorial.com scored me 71 overall.
Yes,
and I got this. This time I got 72 in a main exam.
That's amazing score. Like, as you said, as you mentioned, so before we go further with our questionnaire, I would like to introduce your scores to all the viewers over here. So first of all, I would like to tell you that he has got 67 in listening, reading he has got 82, speaking he has got 71, and in writing 68, which sums up to an overall score of 72. So first of all, congratulations for all the achievement. And as you have said, you have achieved the desired score. And viewers, I would like to tell you that this person has not taken any kind of coaching or anything. He has just went through our website to PTE-Tutorials.com, and he applied for all the free sample questions, and he has been practicing that. So this video is all about your self-efforts and your hard work. So how are you feeling right now after achieving the desired score which you have aspired
for? I am practicing this PT for last 2 years. I am a working professional, so I didn't have much time to prepare early days. I took a PT exam every time and felt that it is very tough. We can't able to achieve like that. But after my friend told me that we can able to achieve with some little hard work, guidance for each task. But after I got my desired score, I feel very happy and excited that now I got my score. Like that, every people can achieve like this. So I am very much excited about this. Now I can able to do free anything for. I can able to concentrate on my work, because now I don't need to study English for another time. So this is very much happy for me.
Okay, sir. So like moving further, I said as I would like to go forward, and I would like to say that you visited our website and practiced the free sample questions, and you visited also Telegram. Did you used to use the Telegram application which we have for all our students?
No, madam. I didn't use much about this Telegram, but I have your app in phone as well. And I am traveling. I will use this app and listen the repeat sentence, read aloud or something like that. I will go through this. But when I am studying, I use my laptop and I will log on to PTE-Tutorial.com and practice essays or something like that.
Okay, so like you say that the application has specifically helped you a lot in achieving the score, and the free sample questions which we have 400 and plus questions on each module.
Yes, madam. Because your application consists of all the questions. So I just put my headset while traveling and I'll listen to repeat sentence,
Right.
answer hard questions like that.
Okay, sir. So further, before moving forward, I would like to ask you that this is a self-motivated work. You did not take any coaching. You did not went through any rigorous training. It was all about self-motivation. So can you please share with our viewers your preparation mantra which you had? Like what was your way of preparation, or what was your preparation mantra overall?
First, basically, how to achieve this desired score. There are so many ways. First of all, we have to see what we are weak in. I already took this PTE 3 times, so I came to know that I am weak in speaking as well as in writing like that. So then I focus more on this specific task. Then we have to we have to openly I will say that we have to work hard, then only we can able to achieve this. Motivation means I want to go to Australia. That's my motivation. Some of my friends already went, but I was here. I I have to be there. So that is the main motivation. My friends already went because they passed the PTE exam. So only the way to go Australia is I have to pass this PTE exam. So I worked hard more on this time, and the main motivation is correct answer. Means that is also a motivation. So we can do like that.
That's completely
Main like that.
amazing that you have a defined goal and you are working very hard towards it. So, like before we move towards the end, I would like to ask you that the nervousness part, which we every student faces in the examination hall, that there is a lot of background noise coming in. So, like, how did you cope up with that also?
This nervousness and this is a timed exam. This
Okay.
this PTA, I don't know how they shrinked all the timings. We don't have even time to stare here and there. We
Okay.
for the 2.5 years we are only focusing on the exam. This speaking test no problem because each task is timed that we can able to manage. Background noise we have to practice while traveling means we can able to concentrate on this listening some part. We can able to train our brain to concentrate mainly on listening. We have to practice while traveling or practice while we are in coffee shop in crowded places like that. Then during exam it will not be a big issue because
Yes.
contestants are they will also shout for a speaking section, but
They
we
will
have
try
to
to make the right.
we have to focus on our task.
That's
So if we
completely
practice
amazing.
in a if we practice in a crowded noisy surroundings, we can able to concentrate even with those surrounding noises. For other tasks such as reading, we have to manage our own time because reading is somewhat tough in PTE.
Yes, it.
We have for to choose the multiple answer. There is a big paragraph. We have to find the we have to read and we have to if we practice and also we have to know what coming next. PTE doesn't tell us now you are doing choose multiple answer, next part is PTE choose a single answer like that. We have to
Yeah.
like fluent with what the task are coming. Now we are doing this task, then next task is like this, then we have to manage them. We have to practice. When we practice it will automate. Listening part it is very tough because it is very short time, only like half an hour only, 35 minutes only. We have to manage all the tasks within that time. For listening part we have to practice more to manage the time because last task is right from dictation. If we
Right.
miss one or two right from dictation, it will affect our listening score and writing score very much. So we have to fast. We have to do fast, and we have to manage our time within those tasks.
That's completely amazing. Thank you so much for providing such a brief, you know, dedication towards every module which we have in the final PTE, that is to every section. So I really hope that this helps the client to understand the real scenario. So as he suggested, please walk around and practice your listening sections in public areas or some places where there is a lot of background music, get adapted to it. Please take in his suggestions, because if he's the one who can do it on your own, on his own, without any kind of coaching, just with his self motivation and free sample questions which we provide just by visiting ptetutorials.com, then anybody can do it. So anything else which you would like to suggest our viewers, Mr. Srinivasan?
Yes, yes. This actually, I would really like to thank your, there are many stuffs I think for a PTE tutorial. Thank you. You are updating. Actually, first time I see the repeat sentence, there are only 300 something. Then I practiced. Then after 1 week, I saw there you uploaded another 150 or something. Then it's a very good thing, because you are providing all this material for free. We are not paying anything for your material. Your material is also valuable, because I got a lot of questions from your sample and questions.
That's
Because for in
amazing.
a speaking section also, read aloud, I got read aloud. Then repeat sentence, I got two repeat sentence from
True.
your sample question. Then a reading part also, I got two or three questions from your sample question. Then I got, oh, this question is already familiar. Oh, then it is a time saving thing. If we know that question and answer uh, before, then it is a time saving. I don't have to think much on the answer. Then I started clicking and okay, now finished. We are going next task, like that. It's very
That's
helpful.
amazing. We are actually honored that we can help you so much in achieving your desired score without any kind of, coaching or anything like that. So we will move towards the end of the process and we'll end the ride over here. But before going, as I would like to suggest all of you that if we can achieve the score, even you can. So please visit to our website, which is ptetutorials.com. Just go through the free sample questions which we provide. Please join the Telegram group which we have. They have our personalized tutors. We have experts from all around India and Australia, which will help you out in achieving everything you want to. So indeed, it's just your efforts. At the end of the day, what we can learn from him is we can provide you a step, but you have to decide whether you can take the step and make a success story. So we will move towards the end. Thank you so much for joining us and have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much, viewers. Hope you like their little effort.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And I'm really thankful that we could help you out in all your materials and everything. And I would like to really tell you that you can also visit, although your exams are done, you can also continue joining in Telegram because it actually helps you a lot.